Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to make this spicy goat meat pepper soup. So let's get started. Here, my goat meat is cut into my preferred size and I'm going to clean them with salt and lemon. My goat meat is all clean. Now it's time to get cooking. I add in some chopped onion, some Cameroon pepper, some chili peppers, my homemade pepper soup spice mix. If you want to see how I did it, I have a video. I'll link it in the comment section and also in the description box. And I add in some water to boil the meat. Later on, when the meat is nice and tender, I'm going to add another tablespoon of the pepper soup spice mix. I stir. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Add in a finger size of Indian fruits. I cover and let the meat boil till tender. When the meat was tender to my preference, I went ahead to add a tablespoon of my pepper soup spice mix and I stir. A tablespoon of salt. Add seasoning cubes. And I stir. Add in some dry scent leaf. Add about 800 ml of water. You can add as much water as you prefer, but be sure to taste and adjust the pepper soup spice mix to salt and seasoning to taste. To give the soup some freshness, I added fresh chopped chili peppers, the remaining chopped onion, and some frozen spinach for color. If you want to see how I freeze and preserve my spinach, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that video for you. I stir and cover and let to simmer on medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes. So because I want my spinach green and half cooked, I let to simmer for 1 minute. But you can let yours simmer for up to 2 minutes according to your preference. And my spicy, authentic Nigerian goat meat pepper soup is ready. And I enjoyed every bit of it. You too should go try it out. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're yet to do so. Leave a comment in the comment section and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.